Hello everyone, this is another day with O2O. Glam up with me with O2O Cosmetics. First, let's begin with primer. Primer fills in fine lines and pores, so foundation applies more evenly. Spread natin siya ng maayos. Let us spread it evenly by using O2O brush. Primer also extends makeup wear. It also controls shine and improves adhesion. It hydrates or blurs imperfections as well. Next, we will proceed with concealer. Concealer covers dark circles under the eyes. It conceals blemishes, redness, or acne marks. It also brightens dull areas, contours or highlights as well, evens out skin tone for a smoother overall finish. So, ayan, spread na natin siya evenly sa face as kagaya ng ginawa natin sa primer. Next, we are going to put contour. Contour defines facial structure. It makes cheekbones looks higher, the jawline sharper, and the nose slimmer. Actually, when paired with a highlighter, contouring gives a natural 3D effect to the face. Bakit bakit nga ba importante ang contour? It adds dimension, prevents your face from looking flat,